How to fix iPhone call sound not playing on speaker or headset. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix iPhone's call sound not playing on speaker or headset. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, you can then scroll down until you find accessibility. Tap on accessibility, and after you're on your accessibility, scroll down again, and there you'll find physical and motor section. Under there, head over to touch. Tap on touch, and after you tap on touch, you will be on this section here. Now here you can scroll down, and there you'll find call audio routing. So tap on call audio routing and make sure that it is selected to automatic. Now in your case, it might be selected on Bluetooth headset or speaker. So tap on the automatic option, and after you do that, you're basically good to go, and that should fix your iPhone sound not playing on speaker or headset. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.